Hello, kids. This is a message for you all. Um, Primarily, when we talk about how do we study, what the teacher will teach, how the students will follow, understand the concepts, and relate to it. That is one part of it. But then, as I keep on repeating myself, or keep asking you guys to find your buddies with whom you can do joint study, or get into the habit of sharing what you have learned. Because when you learn, that is one aspect, but when you're able to explain somebody something that you have learned, that enhances your ability to to comprehend things. And that is when you will see that when you learn something and you share something with your friends or with somebody whom you know, then your knowledge or the depth of understanding enhances many folds. So I know here kids don't share much. They whatever they learn, they try keeping it to themselves. But then don't think of you sharing with somebody is going to do any harm to you. It's actually going to help you alone. Because I mean, if you talk about me learning something for myself versus me teaching you guys something, right? So when I'm trying to teach you, I have to be more clear with my concepts alone. So that is why learning and teaching are two different levels of understanding. So if you learn something, if you find something interesting and you share that with somebody, you will see that your own understanding of the thing gets much better. So it's a request. I know it's not something that you guys are used to, but then get into the habit of sharing things, explaining things to people, explaining things to your friends, to your family members, and stuff like that. You will see your own knowledge, your own level of confidence shoots up big time. So with that being said, I would suggest, or I would rather request, that try exploring that aspect as well. Try sharing your knowledge with friends, try discussing the concepts that you learn, try teaching somebody something that you have learned for yourself, and then you will see a huge difference in the way you understood things. So I know this is not part of the syllabus, but this is another way of looking at it. And I have first hand experience where my own brother used to tell me that, okay, don't learn it for yourself, learn as if you can teach somebody. So that's a small change, or change in flavor I want to bring in. Nobody tells that, because this is not there in any books. This is based on sheer experience and the number of gray hairs I've got. So try doing that and we'll see how it goes.